Today's video is an update on Premier African Minerals, PREM. It's the ticker symbol, Prem, and we've been covering this stock now for many months. It's part of our high risk, but in the right space in terms of lithium plays that we're going to hold for the next sort of 10 years to see if we can get a few multi-baggers. And I think Prem, on the back of the news that I'm about to tell you today, I think fits that bill perfectly. Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy, Hold, Sell, and I hope, of course, you are all well. As I said at the start of the video, we're covering Premier African Minerals. Now, my last video was done about 2 months ago. I'll share the link here. You can go in and check it out. It was, again, just a refocus on what Premier African Minerals means to us and what the company is about. Plus, we had a drilling update then. For anyone new to the channel, we're loading up on lithium plays. A lot of these sort of higher risk plays potentially now, a lot of them will hopefully become multi-baggers. And I think we've seen with the likes of Codel, which we talked about yesterday, 500% return. We've had great returns on Premier African Minerals. Then we've had the flip side of the Vision Lithium. We're no longer allowed to buy shares and just being 80% down. These are the risks that you're playing, and I can't express that enough. These stocks are risky. There's a lot of government plays. There's a lot of issues that are revolved around it that can potentially be taken away from any good intentions that these stocks have. So know your risks. These are high risks. These aren't the big boys in this space or this sector. We're buying these because we believe that the lithium play is going to go so high. It's going to have such a high demand that'll bring all these stocks up naturally. If their resource is as good as we hope and think it is, then these could become big players. So there's a lot of risk and there's a lot of dreams and hopes for the future. So just to make that perfectly clear, okay? And if you're interested in this sort of green sector, this space, I'll share my playlist here. You can go in and check out the playlist where we've covered a lot of these different stocks. You can go right back to the start and you can get to digest this sort of process here. It is not by any stretch of the imagination too late to jump on any of these. So we're just talking about drilling updates. We have another one that sort of came out a month ago. Took a screenshot and I'm going to put this on my probably Instagram at the time, but it's nothing major. Like a Premier competes is Math South, Lithium, Tantalum Drilling. We talked about the project before, and the main thing I want to bring to your point is this: a third rig is expected within the site the next month. Premier Chief Executive George Roche said that they were excited with the progress so far achieved at Zulu and the exclusive prospecting order EPO extended area of over 200 square kilometers. So that's just a slight update. We're getting a third rig, an extra rig, extra resource, extra progress. So brilliant. But the real news and the purpose of this video is the 30th of September, 3 days ago, we have our half-year report. It came out on Thursday. And you know I don't like to work on Fridays. So this is coming as quick as I could get it out to you, other than sort of a screenshot on my Instagram. You can have a look at that. Let's just have a look at the key notes that Premier African Minerals want us to know. The reversal of the impairment imposed on Zulu Lithium Private Limited, which has been internally reviewed in consultation with our external auditor. Anyone watched the video yesterday, we talked about the increase in prices. Again, as a quantity surveyor, I can tell you across the board, materials, anything in that space, whether it be steel, wood, copper, any sort of materials or minerals, everything is seeing an uplift due to inflation, due to shortages. It's crazy. So do expect to see this across the board in all our lithium plays and all the expectations out there. All sample preparation on site analysis equipped has delivered Zulu and has been commissioned. Fantastic. First provisional analysis results from drilling are imminent, so we're going to have an update there. That is another catalyst that we should add to our